determination as to if there is a trend for increased sales. Alright, so the first determination as to if there is a trend for increased sales. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download all your lab files from the doc sharing. I usually create a folder and then I save everything into the folder. That way it's easier to find and work with. Once you've downloaded it all, go ahead and open up your summary worksheet. Alright, once you have your summary workbook open, I should say, the next thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the other workbooks, and then we're going to import, or not necessarily import, but copy the data into our summary workbook so we can work with the summary workbook. So go ahead and open up the next workbook, which is your eSide. Alright, once you have your eSide workbook open, we're going to go ahead and copy this data onto our summary workbook in a different sheet. So I'm going to click from the home, make sure you're on the home tab if you're not already there. Then I'm going to click Format, then I am going to select Move or Copy Sheet, then I'm going to select the summary workbook, and then I'm going to move it to the end. Make sure you check to create a copy, that way you leave your data here, you don't actually move it, you're just copying, and then click OK. It'll put you back into the summary workbook as you can see here, and you can see that now I have an eSide worksheet. Alright, so the next thing is go ahead and open up your West Side workbook, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click on Format, we're going to click on Move or Copy, and then we're going to select Summary Workbook, move it to the end, and create a copy, then click OK. Alright, go ahead and open up your Downtown workbook, and the same thing. Format, Move or Copy, then we're going to go ahead and move it to the Summary, and we're going to move it to the end and create a copy and click OK. Alright, now you should have a summary, east side, west side, and downtown tabs with different information in it, as you can see here. Okay, so we're done with all our other workbooks. So now you can click on the View tab and then go ahead and switch windows here. And from there you can go to back to the different sheets that you have open and just go ahead and exit out of them. And the last one I have is Downtown. I'm going to go ahead and close that one. And now it should bring you back to your summary workbook. So now you're ready to begin step 2 of the week 5 lab.